Mobile Water Treatment System for Extreme Conditions. WAW Water MS-800. The system is designed for use in both civilian and military sectors. The total weight is 16 kilograms, making it relatively lightweight and convenient for use by mobile groups and military units. The mobile system includes a backpack-style carrying bag, convenient for transportation in the field by one person. It also includes the water purification and treatment unit, with a built-in autonomous power supply, 2 hoses for clean and wastewater, a hose for raw water intake, a repair kit, and the charger. Deployment and startup of the MS-800 system takes approximately 30 seconds. Connect the blue and yellow hoses to the clean and wastewater outlets. Connect the white hose to the water inlet of the system. Open the valves for clean and wastewater. Place the ends of all 3 hoses into the available water source, ensuring that the primary filter on the white hose is fully submerged in water. Turn on the system and wait until drinking water starts flowing from the blue hose. To stop operation, turn off the system and close the clean and wastewater valves. The MS-800 system can operate autonomously for up to 8 hours, to charge the built-in power supply, or to operate the system from a 220-volt power source. Use the charger. The MS-800 system is capable of purifying water from heavy metals, oxides, organic substances, and microorganisms, dissolved toxic substances, including those in gaseous form, cadaveric toxins, chlorine compounds, radionuclides, and nitrates. It produces therapeutic antioxidant water with an optimal salt balance, adjusted pH level, a high content of free molecular hydrogen, and an electron donor oxidation reduction potential.